Hi, I am Dr. Avantika Tripathi, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, course mentor, Dentium Academy. Welcome to the clinical demonstration of lateral approach sinus lift surgery using DASK Simple Kit. Today, we will demonstrate how to perform a safe, predictable and efficient sinus lift surgery using DASK Simple Kit. In posterior maxilla, sinus pneumatization and ridge resorption often leads to reduction in the available bone height. When the available bone height is less than 3 mm, then there is a requirement of doing the lateral approach. We can do it with the help of the DASK Simple Kit. So let's start the demonstration on the dummy model. Before starting the procedure, first we need to mark the sinus membrane on the lateral wall of the maxillary sinus. If this is a patient, we need to get a CBCT done to plan for the surgery. These are the two matchstick shaped drills which are used for the preparation of lateral window. These are available in two lengths of 28 and 40 mm. We will start preparing the lateral window with the help of these matchstick shaped drills at the speed of 2000 rpm. We are going to use the grind out technique to gently remove the lateral wall of the maxillary sinus. When the membrane is visible, use the center with weak cutting force by raising the angle of the drill at right angles. Once the membrane is visible, we will introduce our first hand instrument, the dome shaped instrument, gently inside the preparation, and we will gently detach the membrane from all the sides. Now I am going to introduce the second sinus instrument inside the cavity, which is used to elevate and detach the sinus membrane. Now this instrument is introduced with its flat surface towards the sinus membrane. We will do two surfaces from one side and the other two sides are done from the other end of this instrument. Once the membrane is nicely detached from the bony wall, then we are going to do the secondary grinding to increase the size of the window. The size is mainly increased for proper visualization and instrumentation. Now I am going to introduce the third sinus instrument inside the cavity, and it is used to detach and elevate the sinus membrane from all sides. So we are going to gently move it inside the cavity in all the directions to elevate the sinus membrane from all the directions. Now I am going to introduce this fourth hand instrument to elevate and completely detach the sinus membrane from all the sides. It is basically used to detach till the medial wall of the maxillary sinus. So complete detachment is done with the help of this fourth hand instrument. Once the sinus membrane is completely detached, we are going to introduce the bone graft to keep the sinus membrane elevated. Now I am going to pack the bone graft nicely beneath the sinus membrane. After completely packing the bone graft and lifting the sinus membrane up, we will start preparing the osteotomy with the initial drill of 2.5 mm at a low speed of 800 to 900 rpm till the available bone height. Then we will prepare the osteotomy with the 3 mm final drill till the available bone height. After this, we are going to introduce the 3.5 mm final drill till the available bone height. Then 4 mm final drill is used for the final preparation of osteotomy. After complete preparation of osteotomy, we are going to place the implant. If the bone is very soft, we can do one size under drilling and then place the implant. Otherwise, we can drill till the finer diameter of the implant and then we can gradually insert the implant in the osteotomy inside at a low speed of 10 to 15 rpm. After complete placement of implant, we will complete the procedure by putting a cover screw from the top with the help of hex driver. This completes the lateral sinus lift procedure using DASK Simple Kit. Thank you for watching the clinical hands-on demonstration. If you like the content of this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.